Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So our today's topic is about hydrogen, that is the first element in this series of element wonders. Hydrogen, we are going to see its properties and its very important applications in our day-to-day life as well as some other applications. So this is some one short glimpse of what we are going to see in this video. So hydrogen, what is the atomic symbol of hydrogen? Atomic mass is 1 and atomic number is also 1. So what does that mean? Atomic number is 1, that means it has 1 proton, and since the element is neutral, it has how many electrons? It has 1 electron as well. Okay, 1 proton and 1 electron. Since it is neutral, here the atomic mass is what? It is 1 proton. Okay, atomic number can be, it is number of protons, but since it is neutral, protons and electrons are same. So this is how a hydrogen gas looks like when it is electrified. Okay, electrified means electric field. It is kept under an electric field. It is placed in a glass sphere and it is subjected to an electric field, and you can see it gives which glow? It gives a nice purple glow. Okay, otherwise normally it is what? It is colorless. It is a colorless gas. Okay, this is negative sign means electron, so it has 1 electron and it has 1 proton. When was it discovered? It was discovered in 1766, and it is what? It is a gas. It is a colorless gas, we can say. And where it is located in the periodic table? Here at the topmost left position. Okay, here there is hydrogen. So now let us see some of its properties. First is atomic structure. A hydrogen has 1 electron moving around a nucleus consisting of 1 proton. So there is 1 electron and 1 proton that we had seen just now. Next is the physical properties. It is the lightest material, and pure hydrogen is rare in Earth because it is highly reactive and it can easily escape from the atmosphere into the space. So when it escapes into space, do we have any applications based on space? Yes. Chemical properties. Hydrogen is highly flammable. Flammable means easily catches fire. A flammable substance means it is a substance that easily catches fire. Okay, this is the main problem in hydrogen fuel that we are going to see next. It is one of the applications of hydrogen to use as a fuel for electric vehicles, that it is flammable, so it is very difficult to transport hydrogen and store hydrogen. Okay, it forms compounds with both metals and non-metals. Next is compounds. What are the compounds that are formed? One is acid. We know acids are what? They donate H plus ion, so it contains hydrogen, and the most common hydrogen compound is water, H2O. Okay, so these are some of the compounds of water containing hydrogen. Now, where do we get to see in space? So if you see the Jupiter planet, it is made up of 3/4 of the Jupiter is made up of layers of gaseous and liquid hydrogen. So it is a mixture of gaseous as well as liquid hydrogen. 3/4 means 3/4 of this planet is made up of hydrogen. That is the largest planet in our solar system. Next, where do we find hydrogen? In nebula. Okay, in an Orion nebula, the image that is given here, this gaseous stellar nursery gives birth to thousands of stars. Now, what is a nebula? It gives rise to new stars. And this nebula consists of which gas? It consists of hydrogen gas. Okay, it will collide into itself and give rise to new stars. That is called as a nebula. Where else do we get to see hydrogen? The largest star in our solar system, that is the sun. 4/5 of this of sun is made up of what? It is made up of hydrogen and a mixture of other gases like helium. Okay, so this was about the space. Where else we get to see hydrogen? As I told you, one of the very important application of hydrogen is to use H2, that is hydrogen gas, as a fuel. Okay, it is used in rockets. So you can see here they've given one rocket named Delta 4 and it consumes how much hydrogen? 45,460 liters of hydrogen as a fuel. So how does this exactly work? How does a rocket works? So that we have to see now. How does a rocket fuel works? Okay, it is used as a fuel. So first you can see here there is a chamber which has liquid hydrogen. This is this blue chamber, and then there is another chamber which consists of liquid oxygen. Blue chamber consists of hydrogen. Okay, this is liquid hydrogen, and the orange chamber consists of liquid oxygen. Now both these tanks are connected to pumps. Okay, they are connected to pumps. These are the pumps that control the flow of liquid into the combustion chamber. Now what is a combustion chamber? Combustion chamber is this chamber here. You can see what happens in this chamber is hydrogen and oxygen will react, and what we get is very high temperature water molecule, that is gas, or we can say steam. Okay, the nozzle emits hot vapor. Okay, the hot vapor gushes out from a nozzle, means small opening, from a small opening. So this pushes, the steam is pushed towards the ground. As a result, the rocket is pulled upwards. Okay, it is pushed upwards due to the thrust that is created. Okay, so this was one of the very important application, that is we use it as a fuel. Liquid hydrogen is used as a fuel. Next, this was about the applications in rocket and in space and our solar system. Do we have any daily life applications? Yes. The most common is water. Okay, water is H2O. We can also call this as dihydrogen monoxide. Water contains hydrogen. Okay, two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. We know very well. We drink water every day. Another application is hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide also consists of hydrogen, and we use it as a cleaner. Okay, it is used as a disinfectant and also in the field of medicine. Next is margarine. What is margarine? Margarine is nothing but butter, or you can say clarified fat. Okay, butter. This also consists of hydrogen. Now, if you see oils consist of carbon-carbon double bond, that is unsaturated fat. Okay, this is what we call it as unsaturated and saturated fat. This is oils. When I do hydrogenation, okay, that is addition of hydrogen. Hydrogenation is addition of hydrogen. What I will get is, I will get alkanes. Okay, I will get alkanes. This is the saturated fat. Okay, that is, this consists of what? This also consists of hydrogen. That is, hydrogenation of oil gives us fats or margarine in this case. Where else can we see hydrogen? There is hot air balloons. Okay, hot air balloons are also filled with hydrogen. And another very important application is to try to use hydrogen as a clean fuel. Why? Because the byproduct, as you can see here, they've given it is what? It is steam. Okay, just like in rockets, the output of this using hydrogen as a fuel is what? It is steam, which is completely safe and does not create any pollution. So hydrogen powered bus is another very important application that we are working on. So this is the end of this video. I hope you have understood the properties, the chemical structure, and all the applications of hydrogen. Thank you.